next month.
Why did I sack him?
Yes.
I didn't sack him.
What do you mean?
He came up present resignation letter for Arai. Mo sack him.
Oh, he resigned.
Yes, ma'am.
Voluntarily.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I not tell you? But she Baba boy is on last meeting. That was not good. It was not good enough.
How wasn't it good enough to my staff?
To your staff?
Now, when she London one now. And so kill it more the basoro.
Lo fi frustrated. They be to submit resignation letter from Raleigh.
Mommy, he doesn't have to work with us. A lot of people want that on fashion now.
Oh, I see. But do you know what they call humanity?
Oh, mommy, there we go again.
Oh, yes, there we go again. This is how it works here.
Mommy.
That guy is a stronghold in that company.
I am a stronger hold in our company.
Okay, I see. Because you are the owner of the company. Okay, go ahead. Go do anything you want to do. Sack anybody you want to sack. I don't care about that. I don't.
Mommy, ṣé kò sí nǹkan mi pẹ̀lú bọ̀bọ́ yìí, mommy. Ṣé kò sí nǹkan mi pẹ̀lú bọ̀bọ́ yìí.
Ẹ ṣe èdè tí o ti pẹ̀ tó ń sáké yẹn. Ṣé mi gangan ṣé mo ṣèfù bí ṣá? Jáde fìyẹn lẹ̀. Ọ̀gá sọ òyìnbó. Hello, why do you have to sack that person?
Hey, Grandma, what's up?